Welcome to the ToolSeq tutorials of Autodesk Maya. Alright, so ToolSeq Freeze is an impressive tool that manipulates transformations of transforms with preserving geometry, UVs, pivots, children, so on and so forth. Select your transforms and left-click on the transforms label to write them into the transforms panel. So let's create a brand new polygon cube over here and let's left click on the transforms label to write them into the transforms panel. By the way, these panels are standard in ToolSeq, so you can right click on labels for appending selections into panels or middle click on labels to clear panels. Additionally, you can see count of panels next to their labels. Let's right-click for appending selections or middle-click to clear it out. All right. There are 9 transformations that can be applied, as you can also see and modify them in the channel box when you select a transform. TranslateX, TranslateY, TranslateZ, RotateX, RotateY, RotateZ, ScaleX, ScaleY, and ScaleZ. All right. For each of them, there's a checkbox that allows you to enable or disable the modification, and there's a floatbox to set the value. Click on the Apply Transformation Matrix button to apply these transformations without actually applying it. Alright, so let's make our value something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9. Alright. Let's click on this button and we will see our values are reflected here, but our geometry, UVs, pivots, children, so on and so forth are preserved. It could be useful when you have to freeze your transformations because an operation like bevel, for instance, may need it for working properly. Then you could get back your original transformations thanks to this tool. All right. There are 2 more features which are related with this feature. Unfreeze Translate button restores TranslateX, TranslateY, and TranslateZ attributes by matching position of object's rotate pivot or object's scale pivot. So let's make our TranslateX to 11, TranslateY to 22, and TranslateZ to 33. And let's click on the freeze transformation button to make all of them 0. And when we click on the unfreeze translate button, our values are back. All right. Unfreeze scale button restores ScaleX, ScaleY, and ScaleZ attributes by matching size of object's bounding box. If your transformations have rotate attributes, keep consider rotation checkbox checked to get more accurate results. So let's make our ScaleX to 11, ScaleY to 22, and ScaleZ to 33. And let's click on the freeze transformations button to make all of them 1. And when we click on the unfreeze scale button, our values back 11, 22, and 33. All right. Last but not least, this tool is not compatible with instanced objects, so you may get some kind of problems when working with them. Just keep in mind. Let's try this pretty quickly. Let's create a brand new polygon cube over here, and let's instance it pretty quickly by duplicate spatial. And when we click on the Apply Transformation Matrix button, you will see the other one is affected, unfortunately. All right. Thanks for watching me. See you in the next video.